In this video we are going to see how to create new macros with the activate, minimize, maximize and restore commands. These commands are in the System section. So we have activate, maximize, minimize, and restore. The restore command returns DaVinci Resolve in the foreground. Activate activates the DaVinci Resolve window to then perform operations, and maximize is how to press this button here. So let's go and press maximize. You see that it enlarges DaVinci's window. These four operations are important to perform complex macros because if the focus is given on another application, with these commands the focus is reported on DaVinci Resolve.